Welcome, my dear student. So, in this lecture series, I am going to solve some of the interesting and challenging problems from the renowned book of Pathfinder Physics by Arvind and Sachin Singh. So, let us do this situation where there are four blocks are there. A, B, C, D are the four blocks. They are connected with the string and the pulley, and the masses of each blocks are given. That is, the mass of A is M, then 2M, then 2M, then another 4. Now, it is given that the threads are inextensible, masses of the threads are negligible, pulleys are negligible, all our masses are ideal situation. So, in that situation, you are asked to calculate that when the system is set to free, that means they are set to move. So, what is the acceleration of all the blocks? Okay. So, let us say this is the P1 pulley and this is the P2 pulley. So, P1 and P2 are the moving pulleys. Okay. But P3 and P4, these are the fixed pulleys. So, these are not moving. So, can I say that if P1 is moving upward with an, let us say, acceleration A0, so then P2 will move downward with an acceleration A0? No, because P1, P2 are the connected pulleys with the two fixed pulleys. So, for both the end of the two fixed pulleys, the acceleration will be same. So, if P1 is moving upward, then P2 will move downward with the same acceleration. Now, let us say I am assuming that for the block A and B, so A is moving upward with an acceleration, let us say A1, and B is moving upward with an acceleration A2. Similarly, I assume that the C block is moving downward with an acceleration A3, and that is the acceleration of the B, let us say A2. Okay. So, from the moving pulley constant equation, I can write the value of A0 should be equals to how much? A0 should be equals to A1 plus A2 by 2. Okay. Similarly, I can write another A0 for the pulley P2 should be equals to A0 should be equals to A3 plus A4 by 2. So that means these two equations are same. So I can write that A1 plus A2, it means A1 plus A2 should be equals to A3 plus A4. So this is our constant relation. A1 plus A2 should be equals to A3 plus A4. Let us say this is the first equation. Now, individually, you have to draw the P-body diagram for all the blocks separately. Let us do this way. So, I am assuming that the block A is moving upward with an acceleration A1. Similarly, this is moving upward with an acceleration A2. And this is moving downward with an acceleration A3. And this is also moving downward with an acceleration A. Okay. So, for this, so we can write A1 is the upward acceleration of the block A. That means equals to, now here, if I say the tension is T, here also tension is T, here also 2T. So this is the same string. So here also tension will be 2T. That means this should be TT. So tension in each string on the connected block system are same. Okay. So for the block A, I write that A1 should be equal to how much? T minus mg by m. Similarly, A2 can be written as A2 is upward, so that means equals T minus for the mass B, which is 2 mg, so 2 mg by 2m. Okay. Similarly, for the C and D, I can also write that A3, that is downward acceleration, that should be equal to how much? 2 mg minus T by 2m. Similarly, A4 should be equals to, now the mass of B block is 4 mg. So 4 mg minus T by 4m. So now I can use the constant relation that we have got in the initially. So what is that relation? That is equals to A1 plus A2. A1 plus A2 should be equals to A3 plus A. So once I write this, so if I use the value of A1, A2, all those things, so I am getting T minus mg here by m plus T minus 2 mg by 2m should be equal to A3 means 2 mg minus T by 2m plus 4 mg minus T by 4. So multiply both sides by 4 and I can solve the value for T. So once I solve this T, so I am getting this answer for T as 16 mg by 9. 16 mg by 9. This is the answer for T once I solve this equation. So once I got the T answer, then it is easier to calculate the A1, A2, A3, A4. So if I put this value of t, so now I can write the value of a1. So what is the acceleration a1? A1 is t minus mg by m. So it is 16 mg by 9 minus mg divided by m, this quantity. So it means 7g by 9, and I am getting the positive answer. So it is according to our direction. So I have taken the a1 to be upward, so it is upward. Similarly, a2 is how much? Similarly, a2 is equals to t minus, that means 16 mg by 9 minus 2 mg by 2m. So I am getting that is equals to minus of g by 9. That means equals to minus of g by 9. So since I am getting minus, that means I have taken upward, so it should be again downward. So that is, answer is g by 9 in the downward direction. Okay, that is our answer. Similarly, now I can take the value for a3 and a4 separately. So for a3, for acceleration a3 is equals to how much? A3 should be equals to our 2 mg minus t by 2m. Okay, so if I calculate that number, that means same number that is the as that of the a2. Only thing is that it should be in the negative value, so it should be again g by 9. So it is downward means positive. I have taken that downward number, so that is downward. And last number is a4. So a4 is how much? A4 is equals to 4 mg minus t, means 16 mg by 9 divided by 4m. Okay, so that means I am getting that is equals to 5g by 9. 5g by 9. And I am getting the positive number, that means it is downward also. Okay, so these are the acceleration value for all the 4 block system. Okay, so this is how you have to solve this problem. So hope you understand this, and thanks for watching my video. If you like this, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks and bye.